You can't ignore it, it's there every single night. That dreaded snore every night when you turn out the light. But there's a better night's sleep for you and me. Get a better night's sleep for you and me with Patney.
Don't ignore the snore, get a better night's sleep. A Patney pillow will bring you even closer. Visit patney.com.